so we're gonna walk you through what a post head weight and the vibration platform look like after the adjustment. So every time a patient comes in, we have a certain procedure that they go through. They stretch the spine, they get adjusted, and then afterwards they come and put some different weights on, like Raquel is wearing, and those weights help set and hold your spine in a specific position. So in Raquel's case right here, we're using someone who has too much anterior head carriage and frontal, these are internally rotated, the shoulders. We're gonna correct that. So we're gonna pull her spine from this position into this position, okay? So we got a 10-pound weight right here. Okay, so that is strapped around her neck. And then we have some weights on her forehead right through there. So this would be a basic setup here with somebody that doesn't, have a whole lot of draw or anything left to right. This is more of a, on the lateral plane, we're trying to pull the head back over the shoulders. So we do a vibration platform here too. The camera's not showing it yet, but I'll show you that. So this does a really good vibration. For some people it's a little much, and we have smaller platforms that do that. The vibration, I think, feels really good.
Feels good.
Yeah, it feels good. It's gonna increase your lymphatic flow, your circulation. It speeds this whole process up of wearing the head weights and really locking those intricate muscles around your spine. Just so you can see here, this is what, let's see if we got it. There's what the platform looks like, and it's vibrating just like that. So that's a real general example of how we set the head weights after your adjustment to hold the spine, all part of the spinal correction protocol that we use here.